Justin from Duratuf here again. Hey, so you've probably heard there's been a whole lot of changes to the building consent. We've got a kit set building up to 30 square metres. You no longer need consent, but of course it needs to be up to code, which is why it's good for anyone from a reputable company. So what we've got here, this is our new Oxford as part of our lifestyle range. This is 6 metres by 4.8, which as you can see is really sizable.